I'm in Google Spreadsheets, and this is a very simple spreadsheet that I've set up for some children who are going to work out a very simple business model of putting in their outgoings. They're going to list some items that they had to buy for their business and put the prices, and then they're going to total them up, and then they're going to work out what were their incomings once they sold their product, how much money they made, and then they'll work out their profit. I'll just delete that. Work out their profit by deducting their outgoings away from their incomings to work out their profit. They're then going to play around with the figures to see if they can charge more and so basically make more profit, or buy cheaper materials and increase their profits. I've actually protected the formulas and where there is text so that children can't alter or edit the spreadsheet. To do that, in Google Spreadsheets, you go to Data and you go to Named and Protected Ranges, and you can select a range. So for instance, I selected this whole area that I don't want the children to edit anyway, and that is from B1 to H7, and it's actually this one, B1 to H7. And once you've selected it, you can name your range, click the protected and say done, and it becomes a protected area. You can then edit it, so I can edit it and you can see this one's still protected, and you can add the areas on your spreadsheet that are protected cells. Right, what I want the children to do now is to make a chart. So to do that, we're going to go here to Insert Chart, and then we're going to select the range, what we want to include in the chart. We're going to just choose a simple bar chart, and we're going to select the ranges. So we're going to get this range here because we're going to choose, just move that out of the way, we're going to choose this row here, which is actually the items, E8. This one that's correct. Now I'm going to add the other range, which is the numbers sold. Okay, and that's what we're going to make a chart out of, and we'll say okay. So these are the items down here, and this is the number of them that we've sold. Right, now I am just going to insert that, and it's gone over here. I'm just going to close this now, we don't need this anymore, and just drag it over, and we're going to edit it. I'll just move the bar over, because what I think I'll do is actually put it, click the little arrow there and put it into its move to its own sheet. So we're now on sheet 1, and now it's chart 1, and we can now edit this quite easily by clicking the pencil to edit it. I can edit the chart title, making it much bigger. I'm going to choose the biggest I can get and call it My Business. Okay, and I can make it bold, change the color, okay, and press enter to apply. I can change any of these, so I can click the axis here and change that again, and this is the number we sold. Again, I can change the color, change the font size up to 20 and make that bold. Okay, and press enter. Same for down here. This is what did we sell, or the products we sold. The products we sold. Make it red again, make it 20 and bold, but perhaps we'll have a capital T at the beginning. Okay, and I can click on, press enter, can click on the range as well to edit the series. Now unlike Excel, I can only do the whole range, make that bright green. Okay, I can also edit the background by clicking on the chart. So I'll edit here, click the area, so if we click the actual background, we can fill that as well, like that. So it makes it a very simple chart for the children to do, fit to area maybe, and one just fits. I think this is the range. Let me just look. Actually alters the range. And then we can, what's the advanced edit? The advanced edit is slightly more difficult. Again, it's the background. Change the font maybe to Comic Sans for all of it. It's slightly easier. And say update. And then you've got a chart on page 2. And of course you can click there and rename it. And you can click on sheet 1 and rename that as well.